Back to October now. In response to the Halloween floods, the city of Utica has released a long list of completed flood mitigation projects. Mayor Robert Palmieri says with $250,000 in funding, the city's engineering department was able to craft a plan to improve infrastructure northeast, south, and west. Work included cleaning out catch basins, excavating drainage ditches, and removing sediment. On WKTV.com right now, learn about the projects that were done and the work that is still in progress.